Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game is not opening on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert not opening on Steam easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here graphics settings, and now you're going to click onto add desktop app here, and you're going to go to the Crimson Desert folder. So the default location of Crimson Desert should be in your C drive, program file 86. Steam, then after that Steam apps, then common, and here Crimson Desert. You're gonna click onto the Crimson Desert exe. After that, click add here, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna click onto the Crimson Desert exe here, click onto GPU preference and set it to high performance. After it's done set to high performance, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that your graphic card's drivers are up to date. So if you have an NVIDIA card, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for NVIDIA GPU. If you have an AMD card, I'll show you that afterwards. So go on to nvidia.com, click drivers here, and then select your GPU from here. After that, click start search, wait for it to find the driver for you. Once it's done, now download the latest driver. I'll show you AMD now. So search for AMD GPU, go on to amd.com, click resources and support, click drivers then, scroll down, click graphics, select your graphics card, select your operating system, and then download the latest driver. Once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up Steam. You're going to right click on Crimson Desert, click properties, go into install files, verify integrity of game files on Crimson Desert. Once it's done verifying the game's files, you're going to click on to game versions and betas. Here you're going to make sure this is set to the most default or the most latest version. Once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. It will open now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.